We have given set B, and B has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have statement. This symbol means for all x. Let me write this. And this symbol means there is y. There exists y. So we have for all x from set B, there is exist y from set B such that x plus y is less than 10. So let's check. We have only 4 elements. So first, because we have for all x, so we have to choose x equals 1, x equals 2, 3, 4. Because they are small numbers, so we can always choose y from this set that this inequality will be true. Let's do this. For x equals 1, there exists. So we can choose y equals 1. We will have 1, let me copy this, x plus y is equal 1 plus 1, this is equal 2, is less than 10. So this inequality is true for x equals 1. Next we have in this set x, let's put this as x1, x2. We can choose, for example, y equals whatever from this set. So can be 4, for example. This is y1, y2. So we will have x plus y is equal 2 plus 4. So this is equal 6. 6 is less than 10. So this inequality is true for x equals 2. The same we can do for x equals 3 and x equals 4. Because these numbers are very small and we can always choose for y smaller number, or if we choose 4, it still will be true because 4 plus 4 will be 8 is less than 10. It means that for all x from this set, we always can find y belongs to the same set, that this inequality is true. So because it's true for all x, so this statement is true.